My name is Ano Poli and I'm the owner of this building, of this business, of this tavern. We are here 27 years, every day. Christmas, Easter, every day we are here, always.
You have here food and drinks also.
Food, drinks also, and dessert. When you finish the meal, can propose dessert, homemade.
Homemade.
Homemade. Yeah.
You have here and this raki.
Yeah, we have raki, we have ouzo, tsiporo, wine, beer.
About the raki, I know it's this is a homemade thing.
Homemade, yeah.
You also make it by yourself?
No, we take it from somebody else.
Yeah.
We make. The people has grapes.
Grapes. Yes.
Yeah, the people from farmers got the grapes. They doing for us.
And it's family business. Like only you and.
Yes.
Yeah, it's family. Everything belongs to the family. The building, the business, everything. I bought this town from somebody else, and he make the plans, make this building and next door also, and this one was to make taverna. And when I bought the stand with plants, everything ready, I make taverna. The name is Prytanio. Prytanio, it was in ancient Greece, one being like a city council. Yeah, and over there, it was opposite of Acropolis and on a hill, Pnika. And over there, keeps the status from Estia. Estia is the god of the family. And of peace also. And over there keeps the flame from Olympic Games and the law from Solon. And there comes people from other countries, proxeny. They are like council. Is ambassador for the embassy and from consulate.
Yes.
Over there. And they have a big hall and eating over there. And the name of the hall was Prytanio. My wife, she's also the cooker, and she's cooking. If somebody asks, are you the chef? She says, no, I'm not chef, I'm a housewife. Over here, eating like a family, you know, plenty girls, plenty children comes here eating, and they say to me, this is like my grandmother's food.
Yes. Because it's the best here.
Yeah, original.
Yes.
Everything we make now, nothing is everything comes now. Nothing comes from yesterday to...
Yes, only.
Hey, definitely.
Ναι, homemade, αλλά δεν είναι προκαταστικό.
Not frozen, not like
Καθημερινή.
Yeah.
καθημερινά.
Every day,
Every
every day, every day. 2 years ago, one American company from Hollywood came here in this area and look to find place for the sign, to shoot sign from the film. The name of the film is Bricklayer, starring Aaron Eckhart. They chose this store, this taverna, and they paint as they want to do, to see.
Yeah, for many days.
Yeah, for 10 days was of the year. And short for signs from the film. I don't know. Cosa medicina signs. Signs for the film. The name of the film is Bricklayer. Is the company is Millennium. It's from Hollywood. Over here is the old city, but is the upper city. We call it Ano Poli. Ano Poli means upper city. Understand me? But it's the old city. You see over there is a Byzantine style.
Yes.
All the houses, the roads, streets, all them is a Byzantine style. Over there is the last emperor from Byzantine Empire. So Constantinos Palaiologos. He is the last emperor from Byzantine Empire.
You have a really good βαθμό.
Yeah,
Στο πολύ ωραίο.
yeah, we have very, very good comments in internet, in TripAdvisor, all over. And plenty people come from all over the world. But the most is from Europe. Yeah.
Ευχαριστώ πολύ.
Παρακαλώ.